Welcome everyone to this Java tutorial. So today we'll learn about Java Initialization Order. So I have just created two classes, one with a main method and one empty class person. So in Java, every time you see some code between curly braces, we call that code block. So for example, this code block won't be executed until we call this method main. And the same thing for code block between those curly braces of class. It won't be executed until we call the class. And we can also use code block outside a method alone. For example, I will just use it in my person class. But when it's used alone like that, we call that instance initializer. So we can do that in Java. Just put some code between curly braces outside a method. So here, for example, if I create an instance of my person class, and when I run my program, I will just run my program. So I have hi there. So the code between curly braces was executed. And I have just created an instance of person. I didn't call any explicit method on my instance variable or other stuff. So this is instance initializer. So now let's create a constructor. So public person. So in this constructor, when I will call the constructor, I will display something. Hey, I'm constructor. So what will happen now? When I will create an instance of person, what will be displayed first? Hi there or hi, I'm constructor. So let's see that, run. So the first displayed text was hi there. Then hi, I'm constructor. Why? Because the initialization order between instance variable and constructor is always executed in the last one. Executed at the end. And every time instance initializer will be executed before constructor. So for example, what if I put my instance initializer in the bottom of my class? So here I will have the same result. Run. So hi there, I'm a constructor. So always instance initializer is executed before constructor. So what happens if I create some instance variable? So public primitive integer number equal to 0. So here I have an instance variable or field. You can call it field also. So now what will be the execution of this code, the order of execution. So the constructor will always be the last one to be executed, always. Then between instance initializer and instance variable, the order will be the order where they appear. For example, instance initializer here appear before instance variable, so he will be executed before instance variable. So let's create another instance variable and change the value of my field. So number equal to 5. Then in my constructor, I will also change the value of my field. So equal to 10. Then I will print the result of number. It's not a good practice to make instance variable public. It must be always private and not public. I'm just doing that for the tutorial. So here I will display the number. So what will be the result? So here I'm assigning 0 to my instance variable, then 5, then 10. So the result will be 10, because the constructor is the last one to be executed. Then instance variable and instance initializer I executed in the order where they appear. So I hope that you did learn the first session of initialization order, and there will be another session with static initializer and the static instance variable. Thank you for watching.